little secret for those 5 minutes per side, and the little secret is to cover it with a pan so that it cooks very well in the inside. After the 5 minutes have passed, then we turn it around and we can cover it again. Okay, so we're gonna put our pork chops in a baking pan so that we could put the barbecue sauce on top. Okay, serving time. And the pasta. And lunch is like 2 minutes away for us. So thank you guys. I'm going to list the ingredients as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you are able to do this and share your pictures with us in case that it came out as good or better or worse. Thank you.